Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Monica Muli. In case you're new here, you're most welcome. And today we are doing a very interesting video. Get ready with me as I go out for dinner. Yeah, so as you can see, I just have a bare face. I have nothing on my face. I have no moisturizer. I just moisturized my lips. So this is my bare face and we are going to have a very quick face bit before we go out. Let's start. I'll start with my eyebrows as usual. I'll brush them up and then do them with just a simple Davis pencil. I'm done with my eyebrows, but I will conceal them with this Lancome concealer. This is the best concealer I've ever had, and you can also use it as a foundation. So I'll just put it just below my eyebrows to define them. After blending my concealer with a brush, I will now moisturize my face, and also I'll put on a primer. Today I'm using the MAC primer, and then now I'll do my eyeshadow as I wait for my primer and moisturizer to settle on my skin. After concealing my dark circles, I'm using the same concealer. I am going to go in with this red pinkish shade just on the edges of my eyes, and then I'll go in with a shimmery shade, an orange shimmery shade on my inner corner just to finish off the eye look. It is now time for foundation, and I am using my MAC Radiance foundation. I really like this foundation. Honestly, all the products I'm using now, they are way more better than the products I started with. Just the trick with foundation is just blend and take your time. I can say this a million times. I have said it in all my videos. Please take your time as you're blending your foundation, also your concealer. Using the same concealer, I am going to conceal my under eyes just to brighten up my face, and also just to bring it's like bringing life back to my face. So I am using this concealer. A little goes a long way. Don't use a lot of concealer. So I am blending that using a brush, and also I'm setting it with a powder. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, I think in the shade 322, which is as slightly brighter than my skin tone. I'm using a MAC Fix powder just to set my whole face, but I am setting where I'm not setting my under eyes because I like them brighter than the rest of my face. I'll use the same lip pencil or eyebrow pencil that I used earlier just to line up my lips, and then I'm going in with a pink shade of Maybelline lipstick. To finish off the look, I am just putting on my mascara. I'm using a mascara from Lancome. And yeah, that's it, guys. This is the final look, guys. It took me around 20 minutes to do this makeup, and honestly, I really liked it. It looked nice. This is some pictures of that day, and this is the outfit of that day. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.